Here's a new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 2500HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It's well equipped with the features you need: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, electronic shift on the fly, upfitter switches, and streaming audio. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy-duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy-duty truck. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We are conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.